All right, we're going to work through exercises 25-1 from Murach's Visual Studio 2015. So this is the Chapter 25 folder that I downloaded from Blackboard or from the publisher site if you're not in my class. And Chapter 25 looks like this. For my student, we are, let's see, I'm in Blackboard here. I'm looking for this. We need to find the SDI folder. Here it is, and rename this to your last name, exercise 25-1. And this is what we're working on. Okay, step 2, open the designer window for the startup form. That's this guy right here. Select the picture control box. That's this. And note how the properties, so flip over to properties. The image property and the property to Windows is set. That's right here. We see that. Delete this setting. Hit the delete button, not the backspace button. And the picture control is gone. To restore this image, select choose image. So I hit the 3 dots here next to the image. And I need to find the file in the financial calculations SDI directory. Well, really, it's the your last name exercise 25-1 directory. There's the logo. Select it, okay, and it went back. So yeah, step 2 is done. Select the label that contains financial calculations. That's this one. Click the plus size before the font property over here in properties, and change the font name to Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Change the font size to 15 and turn italic on. So it should look like this now. That was step 3. All right, on to step 4. We need to add existing item dialog box. So there's a few ways to do this. We can do project add existing item. And we need to choose from chapter 25. We're going to go into the future value directory and choose form future value. We added that. The other way we can do it is we can right click on my project, add existing item, and go ahead and do that because we also need to add the validator. And we need to do it one more time. We need to, from the depreciation folder, choose frm depreciation.vb. That was step 5. Step 6, add code to the startup form that responds to the click events of the 3 buttons. So here's the button 1, button 2, button 3. So let's look at future value. When you click on future value, we need a new future value form. I'm going to say dim future value form. Let me make this bigger. Not that big. As new form future value, and then future value form dot show. That's it. 2 lines of code for that one. Depreciation, we're going to do the same thing. And exit is just me.close. So step 6, which is adding the code, is 5 lines of code that you type. You type these two, and this one. And again, to get these event handlers, you just double click on the buttons, and that handles the button.click. All right. That was actually step 6 and 7. And run it. Well, save it and run it. And if I click on calculate future value, I have a future value form. Calculate depreciation, I have a depreciation form. I can click on future value and get another one. And if I click on close of any of these, it closes that one form. And if I have a couple of these open and I click exit on the main form, everything goes away. That is it. That's all of 25.1. So at this point, you're going to take your 25.1, again, right click, send to compressed zip folder, and submit this.